Why does your scanner show the P0409 engine code? What does it mean? P0409 is a diagnostic trouble code for exhaust gas recirculation EGR sensor A circuit. This engine code indicates that means the ECU has detected a malfunction, such as an open or short in the wiring, a faulty EGR valve or sensor, or carbon buildup affecting the EGR system. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty EGR sensor or valve. Wiring and connector issues. Carbon buildup. EGR solenoid problems. ECM issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture. Since 1996, it is commonly found in Ford, Chevrolet, Nissan, Mazda, and GMC vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.